one. What's up, y'all? It's Amber and Sydney from Just Cuz. So, considering the fact that we just hit 100 subscribers, like I think on Wednesday of last week it was, today it's Monday, and this video is going tomorrow. Right now I think we have 105, so good job. Yeah, so as promised, I don't remember who commented it. I think it might be one of our continuous commenters. I think it might have been Kent Lilly. A while ago asked us to do a burping tutorial, and I said in my last video that the moment that we would reach 100 subscribers that we would film a burping tutorial, and I decided that since it's 100 subscribers we would show you guys 100 burps. So that's going to be a lot to do, but we're going to do it. We're going to show you how to burp like Amber and Sydney, and we're going to try to teach them how to burp like us, because they can burp on their own, but
I can.
he can.
I can.
So we're going to start off with just like showing you like how we do it, and then we're going to get into just like going at it with some soda. I said right to the Maggie. So first we're going to show you like step by step how we burp on our own. So if someone were to tell me to just like burp on command, yes I can do it, but yes it also takes a little bit of like, you know, prep, because you do have to prep a burp. It's like a thing. So you got to get everything out of your system. You can't have anything in your mouth. I mean, technically you can have like soda or something. But get everything out of your system, and without opening up your mouth, suck in air. So basically just go.
How does that make sense?
So the thing is, you can't like, okay, so you're like taking in air and like swallowing it a little bit, but you're stopping it here. Yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is just go, nice.
Oh, wait.
Like you're stopping it, and then you're like regurgitating. So I'm gonna try to show you it. So basically, I'm just gonna suck in air without opening my mouth. So it's like.
I don't think I can stop.
And then you have to push it out. Like, you're gonna get a lot of pressure up in here, and it's probably gonna go in your stomach. It's probably gonna hurt a little while, but like you just gotta keep going at it. And even if you have tiny, tiny, tiny burps, which happens to me all the time, it'll gradually build up to a big burp.
I don't think I can stop it. I think I just swallow it.
So again, keeping your mouth shut. Everybody's sucking. Nope, that didn't suck. Now, okay, so now because I did it, I'm getting the build-up right here.
The build-up.
So I probably have a bunch of little mini ones. Oh, this hurts.
Like, that's a good one.
Oh my god.
And up the back of your throat, and keeping your mouth shut, go.
I can't.
See, he's got it down.
I can't.
It hurts. Was that kind of two?
Two, that was two.
You know what? As we're going through this,
Like, keep it there.
I have this sudden
I don't
urge.
understand. I don't think I can't.
God.
So as we're going through, I have the sudden urge to just answer questions, so it's not just boring like burps. Like answer questions that we haven't answered before.
Might as well.
Okay.
Multitask.
I'm gonna literally go through every single one of our videos that we have and see if there's any questions. Derek G asked 1 month ago, just out of curiosity, what other videos do you burp in besides the contest one?
There you go.
There you go.
We also burp in the candy challenge. And basically every other one, just wait for the bloopers at the end.
Someone said, who's best at on-command burping?
Sydney.
Absolutely.
Sydney. Oh, but I feel like every time I try to relax my throat, it just tenses more.
Jesus.
That really sucks.
I could hear
that.
it. I could hear it.
Kate Nolan said, where's the burping contest part 2? Technically, this might be a burping contest, even though it's a burping tutorial, but we will surely give you a burping contest sooner or later in the future. That's 100%.
If you were to, like, try not to, like, choke on something, how
Like it's
do I
like, it's like right here. Like it's like you're like taking a breath in. Like you don't breathe out. It's like you take a breath in your own mouth, and it's like just builds up here, and then you just burp.
If you just like focus on me in the couple seconds before that happened, you could see like it hurt me. I was like waiting for that thing to get out. Cameron Jones asked, bet neither of but neither you or your twin can wiggle your ears. We answered this question technically. Amber can wiggle her ears. That was in the Can You challenge.
How do you take a breath in your mouth without breathing?
Like keep just sucking air. No. Can you do the Can You challenge with college friends? Cameron Jones asked that. We will eventually do that. I promise you we will eventually do that. Oh, here we go. It was Kent Lilly. A month ago, in the Can You challenge, she said, "This was very entertaining. Would you guys please make a burp tutorial? I need to learn how to burp from Cindy and Amber. I have a challenge for you. Say your ABCs backwards." I went through my ABCs backwards a couple of videos ago. Yes, I can.
There you go.
Nice.
Do it now.
ZYXWVUTSRQPONMLKJIHGFEDCB day. I did that in the middle of class one day. That was fun.
Didn't you sing it backwards?
Yes.
Mr. T made us do this.
Yeah.
Yay!
She did it.
I don't think that was a mom command. I think that was just a burp.
It
been
works.
swallowing.
It works.
I've been
You're
just
on the list.
swallowing a lot of air. I've already been on the list because I had the first burp.
You did?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she did.
Oh, she did. Oh, she
It was
did.
during the intro. I just sat in the background and burped.
I answered this question by Kent Lilly 3 weeks ago. It says, "I really enjoyed this video." I think it was my college vlog.
Who is Kent? Do we know him?
What editing software do you use? We and Miranda use iMovie. Caitlin uses Final Cut Pro.
Alright.
Oh, that was a good one.
Ugh, that was so sucky. 40 already.
That was 2.
Dan Smith asked 6 days ago in the 5-second rule challenge, "Where did the burps go? They were awesome." Here you go.
Jeez.
That was.
It wasn't even that long. That was so loud. Jeez.
Frederick Tybalt asked 4 days ago, "How old are you, Amber, and Sydney?" I'm guessing by you. I'm guessing they're asking about me or Miranda or whatever. Caitlin is 23.
Yeah.
23. Miranda is 20. And we are 18.
The 4 of us in this video are 18.
Jay Blue went ham on the comments in this section for the Who's Most Likely to challenge. He said, "Can you guys do a 24-hour handcuff to each other challenge?"
We're actually thinking about it. We're thinking about it.
So we're going to mix it up a little bit. Oh, nice. Handcuffing each other.
We want to do finger cuffs though.
We're going to do finger cuffs.
Chinese finger cuffs.
So we're going to use finger cuffs instead. We're going to find those somewhere. Can you do the cook-off challenge? See whose food tastes better.
Sadly,
We don't have a
really can't.
kitchen and we suck at cooking. So maybe in the future, but not at the moment. Try not to laugh challenge. Yeah, we're going to do that. We've been talking about it, but we're trying to figure out copyright issues with that. So we'll get back to you on that one. Try not to get scared challenge.
She's gonna die.
I get scared at every small thing, okay?
Oh, yeah.
So that's not going to work out for me. I'm just letting you know.
literally walked into your own room and I was there and you jumped because I was there.
I didn't know you were in my room.
But it was just like I wasn't doing anything. I
My
was literally just
dorm
like I was just there and you saw me and just freaked out.
Alright, we need 5 more and then we can start using soda.
Crystal Joy
I'm angry.
said 19 hours ago, "Can you do the extremely annoying challenge? You have to annoy the other person for 1 minute, and if they move, they lose a point."
I'm gonna lose.
Well, technically, we're doing the annoying challenge every day, all day.
I was
So.
gonna say, be around me for 1 minute and you'll be extremely annoyed.
Aw, sweet.
Alright, 3 more. Till 50.
Dang. You guys are getting a treat. And we got Oreo here. You can't see him here. Come here, migrate. Children.
Careful.
Little pupper.
Careful. Be careful.
We got a pupper. Hey, this is Oreo. I don't know if you've ever seen him in a video. Probably not. This is Oreo. He's my favorite.
They're just in the going home vlog. Did you put them?
I'm
Oh,
offended.
he is in the going home vlog. There he is. You a good boy? Can you burp?
I'm offended on Daisy's
Can you burp like me?
Can you burp Oreo?
There you go. 1 more, then soda.
I burped while I was outside and it was a really nice burp and I'm really upset about it.
There you
get
go.
my
Alright,
soda
soda.
50.
We're about to do some intense burps.
Why did you flinch? See? That is exactly why we can't do don't try not to get scared challenge.
Alright, wait for Brandon.
See, I
Did
always
you
have-
burp?
I burped 3 times. I have very pathetic burps. They burp. See, like,
There you go.
That was so good! How long did you hold on that one?
I didn't. Soda is powerful.
Oh gosh, I'm just trying to get them out.
I had to deliberately do like the.
Right now we're at 60.
There we go. That one was pure soda. I didn't build that up at all. No, that was terrible.
So counts.
do you like?
I don't want to. That was bad.
I can't.
I'm waiting for. I can feel it coming.
That was
There we go.
loud. I waited a while for that one. You would definitely see me. I was like, ugh.
We need less than 10 burps each.
I've seen that before.
There you go.
I just bought
There
this
you
Saturday.
go.
What did you
There's the
get?
build up.
Nice.
I've not had one in a long time. I need one.
A what? A burp?
I'm kind of just forcing him at this point. Nice. I'm waiting for it.
That one got high pitched.
I lost it. No, I lost it because I'm laughing. No. There we go.
We're almost there, y'all. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's not.
There we go. I've been waiting for that one.
No, that doesn't even count.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. It
The
was
fact,
so
like, I don't
bad.
care if it's pathetic, it counts.
Then literally none of mine count.
You had one really good one on camera.
Yeah, that was a burp. That was like a soda burp. Okay. It wasn't that.
It wasn't that.
I'm joking.
That was almost 3.
You're welcome.
What?
Yep, I burped twice.
Alright, quick.
Yeah!
Man said no.
That was weird. Not bad, not bad. That was really bad.
Why's the light gotta make me look normal?
Alright,
There
there we go.
So, that's 100 plus burps for y'all. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you
That's
can start
140.
burping like Amber and Sydney. I hope you guys enjoyed, because we had a lot of fun making this.
Alright.
I kind of want to do like one extra one, but I don't know if anything's gonna come out of me.
Building a rocket or fighting a mommy or climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Ah.
There you go.
You're welcome.
What
Alright.
can I say?
We'll accept.
You're welcome.
Alright, we'll
You're
see you next
welcome.
time on Just Cuz.
Peace out, y'all.
I can't burp.
Well, this is our living room.
Welcome.
We'll just move the table closer so that we can be back.
Okay, now we have to.
I can't. Such a loud gulp.
You don't know. She just farted while trying to do whatever she was trying to do. I'm just
Sydney's the only one who hasn't farted so far.
I haven't farted in like years. I swear I haven't.